this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your wallpaper to iPhone 14, 14 Plus, Pro or Pro Max or any other version of iPhone. The process would be similar or same. So in this case you have to lock your phone. Now tap and press at the middle. When you press at the middle, you'll see this option. You can change the wallpaper directly from lock screen. See, I have different wallpaper of different version of iPhone 13 wallpaper here, an iPhone 14 wallpaper and more. This is iPhone 3 wallpaper. I remember the old one. So I choose this one, iPhone 14 wallpaper. I hit this one. Is done. It's very simple. Done, slide, you see. So from lock screen you can change wallpaper. Another way you can do that, you have to go to setting. Here we go, setting, click, go inside wallpaper, hit this one. You see add new wallpaper. So you can add new wallpaper as this in this way. I choose this one, the blue one. Here you see at the top button, hit add, set a pair both home and lock screen. Is done. Or this one is more easy. Tap as this, change as you like. So these are the way you can change wallpaper to your iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro or Max phone. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.